Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a 3D histogram in Excel step by step. First of all, select your data, score range and students, go to insert tab, click the drop down menu, see this 3D column or recommended chart, all chart, column chart, see this 3D column, choose your 3D chart. Example, chart style, switch row and column, change chart type, again move chart locations, colors, quick layout, add chart element, axis, titles, data labels, grid lines or shortcut, data labels. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.